Hey barbers, to help you pass your exam, this is Hashim Whitmore, Decoded another barber exam question. Blank movements are used with the cushioned tips of the fingers to rub lather briskly and evenly over the bearded areas of the face and neck to be shaved. A. Vertical or horizontal. B. Effleurage. C. Rotary. D. Friction. B is not the answer, because effleurage is soft, continuous stroking. D is not the answer, because friction techniques stimulate circulation. A is not the answer, because vertical movements don't spread shaving cream evenly and smoothly, fastly over the bearded areas. C is the correct answer. Rotary movements are used with the cushioned tips of the finger to spread lather briskly and evenly over the face and the neck. Alright, there you have it. And for those of you who are serious about passing your barber exam, click the link in my bio for the barber exam bootcamp.